Okay, Tyler, how did this car get so freaking messed up?
That's it. Oh, crap. That's it. So more like
Oh, God.
oh, we look. Dude, that was pretty cool. Oh, shit,
Squeakers!
oh my god.
You should try to say it. You try to say it.
I can't.
Just do it. Not the high pitch, that nerdy one. Oh wow.
Yeah, I know, right?
You should do it in that like constipated nerdy voice that I thought was funny.
No.
Squeakers! Oh wow. Come on, dude, it'll be funny for the video.
I don't even remember how I did it.
Just try to say it, like try to say it in a high pitched voice.
Dude,
Just say, Squeakers! Ah!
uh-oh.
Oh, The Rock killed us. You lost your car. Come on, you should say Squeakers. Come on, it'll be funny.
Dude, I can't do it.
Yeah, you can.
Yeah.
It'd make my videos a lot more funny if someone else was acting retarded with me.
Yeah.
One solo retard does not make funny, but two makes it hilarious. Quote JFK. No, I'm just kidding. That sounds like something he would say though.
Yeah.
One retard.